welcome back to my channel. It's your girl officially Chrissy here. How y'all doing? If you're new here, hey, what's up? Welcome to the fam. And if you've already been subscribed, you already know that we locked in for real. Come on now, y'all already know that we locked in. Come on. So today we're going to be doing a UNice review. Y'all know I love me a good new wig. Come on. What's better in this world than a new wig? Come on, I'll wait. Yeah, but this is my coins. I bought this wig. I've been wanting a curly wig for the warm weather. I just feel like curly hair just goes with warm weather. Like, that's just my philosophy. So yeah, so I got this wig from UNice. I did get a wig from them before and the quality was bomb, so I was like, let me go ahead and get this. And let's see what's in the bag. So you already know they gotta give us the wig caps. I love a new wig cap. We got the brush comb combo, edge brush comb combo. Love it. We got a nice little what's this called again? We got a nice little wig band. We got a nice little wig band to, you know, tack down the lace and the edges. And this wig is supposed to be 100% glueless. It's supposed to be, you know, all together, already, all that good stuff. It's supposed to be pre-plucked, pre-styled, pre-everything, which I love about a wig because I'm such a lazy stylist when it comes to my hair. Right, so it comes with like an extra band as well inside. Okay, that's cool. And then it also has this bye-bye knots tape, so it's to like tack down the sides, but it's a 7x5. I doubt I really need it, and it's supposed to be glueless, so I shouldn't need like anything else. But yeah, and I really like that it comes in these satin bags. I really like that. And this is the wig. About to take it out. Yo, I'm so excited that the lace is already cut on this. Like, I love that. So yeah, let's get a little up close. See? Yeah, what's this on here? Little piece of plastic. Okay, so y'all, baby hair is already done on this. Like, what more can you ask for? Like, what more? Literally. And the wig feels amazing, amazing. It feels really nice. And let's get into the structure of the unit. So we have the lace here, we got a clip in the back, we have some straps as well, everything to keep it secure on our head. Like, I just can't get over that this already has the edges on here. Like, I love that. I love that. And it's already like moussed down, like gelled down, like amazing. And the lace kind of already has a tint to it a little bit. Let's see, it's giving on my hand. Like, come on now, come on now. I already know this about to lay really good on my head. So let's just go ahead and put her on. Moment we've all been waiting for. You can't see my hair. You can't see my hair right now. My hair looking okay. No. All right. All right. Okay. Hold on. Baby, look at this. Come, let the people see you for one time. They ain't see you in a minute. What is this giving right now on my head? What?
It's giving lace wear.
Lace wear.
Lace wear.
What you got? What you eating?
Apples.
Take a bite and then feed it to me because I got lip gloss on. Ah. I was actually the baby bird me. Thank you. That's love, y'all. And I don't even feel like I gotta put like any product in it. I don't feel like I gotta put any mousse in it. It just feels ready to go. Like, and this is straight out of the package. Like, literally didn't do anything to it. Come on. Like, literally I'm in love. I feel like only thing I gotta do is just put some makeup right here just to make it blend more, but it's like already giving blending. Like, I just literally, I'm in love with this wig. I'm gonna link it down below. Even though they ain't paying me, like, UNice, get with your girl, because yeah, yeah, I'm about to turn y'all up for real. I'm really about to turn y'all up. Cause yeah, this is amazing. The quality is amazing. I love how it feels. I really feel like I don't have to put any product in this. It's doing what it needs to do. Okay, so this is gonna be like a really short video because I thought I was gonna have to judge it up, but look at it. Yeah. A little bit of makeup right there, blend it a little bit more. Yeah. So yeah, if y'all like this review and y'all want to see me do more wig reviews, let me know, like lazy girl wig reviews, because I really didn't have to do anything really. But I would love to bring some more to my channel. I really hope y'all enjoy this quick little video. I'll see y'all on the next one. Oh, and if you've already been subscribed, you already know that we locked in for real. And if you're new here and you decided to subscribe, I appreciate you so much. Welcome to the family. I'll see y'all on the next video.